Hi, my name is Danny Ramirez, and on behalf of Expert Village, I will be welding yard art. Hi, now I'll be talking about is safety. I might not be using all of this today, but this is just in case you make yard art and you might have to use it. First things first is the welding helmet. Of course you need this when you're welding so you don't blind your eyes. But this helmet too, you can actually open it up and you can use it as regular safety glasses for cutting or torching, and it'll cover your whole face so you won't get cut up or anything on your face. Also be using safety glasses so I don't get any material in my eye if I'm heating up something, bending something, cutting or grinding anything. I also have cutting goggles. Cutting goggles would be for torching, oxyacetylene cutting, plasma cutting, anything like that. It's a safety goggle, but it has a tinted lens too, so you don't hurt your eyes. Also have a thin set of gloves for like TIGging, so you can actually feel the material and stuff that's not that hot. You can use a smaller glove. If you're doing bigger material, stuff that's really hot, anything with like torching or anything, or you're really in the material, you can use this bigger, thicker glove, and it keeps away the heat pretty good. And also, if you need to use a welding jacket so you don't burn your arms, your body, it also has the buttons to cover you lower so you don't catch yourself on fire or anything. And those are the safety things I will be using.